Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Christmas aprons is probably one of the most festive and functional ways to add some holiday cheer to your kitchen this season. Whether you're a seasoned baker whipping up gingerbread cookies or simply want to protect your clothes while enjoying a festive meal with loved ones, these aprons are designed to bring a smile to your face and a touch of Christmas spirit to your culinary adventures, making every moment in the kitchen feel a little more magical and merry. Number 5. Funny Christmas baking aprons for women men. Are you ready for the holiday baking season? This festive apron is the perfect way to get into the Christmas spirit and celebrate in style. Say goodbye to boring aprons. This one features adorable holiday designs and 2 large pockets to keep all your baking essentials close at hand. Looking for a unique gift? It comes beautifully packaged, making it an ideal present for family and friends this Christmas, Thanksgiving, or even for a birthday. Crafted from a soft and durable blend of cotton and polyester, this apron is comfortable for extended wear and built to last. It's also machine washable for easy care. Designed for everyone, this apron features an adjustable neck strap and extra long waist ties. It comfortably fits up to XXL, ensuring a great fit for most bakers. Whether you're cooking, baking, or grilling, this apron is your perfect companion. Get ready for a fun baking party and make this holiday season extra special. What we like? This apron is designed to get you into the Christmas spirit with its cute holiday words and patterns. It features 2 large pockets for convenient storage of your baking tools. If you are looking for a fun and practical apron that comes in gift-ready packaging, this is a great choice for holiday baking parties. What people say. Wide adjustable neck strap. Can be used during Christmas season, year after year. Good quality material. Quality was great. I bought 2 for my daughters for Christmas baking day. Number 4. Red and green elf apron for teens and adults. Get into the festive mood with this vibrant elf apron. Its cheerful red, green, and black design is perfect for all your Christmas and holiday celebrations. Made from durable, high-quality fabric, this apron is built to last. It effectively resists spills and stains, keeping you clean during all your holiday activities. Enjoy the festivities without worrying about the mess. This apron is reusable and conveniently machine washable, ensuring it's ready for your next event. This versatile apron isn't just for cooking. It's ideal for themed parties, costume events, or simply adding a fun touch to your holiday hosting. Designed to fit most adults comfortably, this apron is sure to be a hit. It's perfect for anyone looking to add some fun while cooking, baking, or hosting this holiday season. What we like? Channel your inner elf with this vibrant red, green, and black apron, perfect for Christmas and holiday gatherings. Crafted from durable fabric, it's designed to withstand spills and stains. If you're looking for an apron that's not just for the kitchen but also ideal for costume parties or themed events, this is the one for you. What people say. Love the bright colors and decor, the fit was perfect. We had elf days at our elementary school and it was perfect to wear all day and still be comfortable. Quality is very nice. It's super cute and good quality. I especially love the pockets. The colors are vibrant and not faded. Number 3. D2 Women's Christmas Kitchen Apron. Get into the holiday spirit with this charming Christmas apron. Perfect for all your festive cooking and baking needs. Designed for adults, it offers an adjustable fit for maximum comfort. You can move freely while you create your holiday masterpieces. Whether you're cooking, baking, crafting, or entertaining guests, this apron is your ideal companion. It keeps you clean and stylish. Made with quality in mind, it's built to last through many holiday seasons. Its practical design makes cleanup a breeze. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This festive apron is a wonderful present for anyone who loves to spend time in the kitchen during the holidays. What we like? This apron offers an adjustable fit for comfortable wear during cooking, baking, crafting, or entertaining. Made with comfortable materials, it's designed for everyday use. If you need a versatile and adjustable apron for various holiday activities, this option is a solid choice. What people say. Fantastic quality. The ties were super long so you can easily make a big bow in the back or bring it around and tie it in front. The quality of this apron is amazing. It's thick, high-quality, flexible material and the stitching impeccable. The colors are bright and the fit and comfort feel like it was made for me personally. This Christmas apron is a little bit retro and so cute. It seems to be well made and with good quality fabric. The apron strings are very long. I'm 5 feet 7 inches and 140 pounds, and I think I'm going to end up shortening them. There's plenty of length in the necktie. Number 2. Christmas Holiday Kitchen Aprons. Get ready for the holiday season with these festive kitchen aprons. They are perfect for adding a touch of Christmas cheer to your cooking and baking. Choose from delightful designs featuring Santa Claus, elk, and snowmen. These charming patterns will bring a smile to your face as you prepare your holiday meals. These aprons are ideal for Christmas dinner parties and any festive occasion. They offer a fun and practical way to keep your clothes clean while you entertain. Whether you're cooking, baking, or even doing some light house cleaning, these aprons are up to the task. They provide great coverage and are easy to wear. Looking for a thoughtful and practical gift? These holiday aprons make a wonderful present for anyone who loves to spend time in the kitchen during the festive season. Crafted for durability, these aprons are made to last through many holiday seasons. They are also simple to clean, ensuring they'll be ready for your next festive event. What we like? Get a pack of 2 aprons featuring classic Christmas Santa Claus, elk, or snowman designs. These are perfect for adding a festive touch to your Christmas dinner party, cooking, baking, crafting, or house cleaning. If you're looking for a set of festive aprons to share or use for multiple activities during the holidays, this 2-pack is a great value. What people say? The grandkids love them, whether helping cook or doing craft projects. These are for the holidays, perfect. I gave away 10 for Christmas parties and little kids, in 2023. Number 1. DearHouse 2-pack Christmas Elf Apron. Get ready for the holidays with this adorable set of 2 Christmas elf aprons. They're designed to bring a smile to your face while you cook. These aprons feature adjustable ties for a perfect fit, accommodating most adults comfortably. The design ensures they stay securely in place. Crafted from high-quality polyester, they are both soft and durable. Enjoy a comfortable and practical cooking experience with these fashionable aprons. With their cute and unique Christmas elf design and vibrant colors, these are ideal for holiday parties and decorations. They make a wonderful festive gift. Make your kitchen more interesting and immerse yourself in the joy of cooking. These fun aprons are perfect for both indoor cooking and outdoor BBQs. What we like? Add some personality to your kitchen with this set of 2 funny and flirty Christmas elf aprons. They are adjustable and comfortable, fitting most men and women. If you're looking for a unique and humorous apron for outdoor BBQs, parties, or just to make your kitchen more interesting this holiday season, these are a perfect fit. What people say? Vibrant colors. These also held up to laundering. The color is bright and vibrant. They fit all of us, teen through adult, all sizes. Good quality and super cute. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.